GNC back once again with another update for the Jeep. So, as you guys know, we still got this installed in Komodo, and we got the gears and the motor mount and everything. Just hadn't had time to put it in, but that'll be coming up pretty soon. But today I want to unbox something that I got from MT Hobbies. MT Hobbies actually sold me these wheels. I got a video somewhere on there about these wheels. I really like them. I'm gonna show you what we have today. These are out of Canada. Make sure you check them out. I'll put a link in the description. So today, I have another set of wheels. And it's actually the same set that I currently have, but they are quite a bit deeper. So they're a whole lot wider. I don't know what this is gonna look like, but I'm real excited about it. Well, I thought about maybe putting those wheels on Gollum, but I don't know. I think they may be a little bit too wide for my liking on here. I don't know. They may not look bad at all. It's hard to say. I think I'm gonna stick with the ones that I actually have. Just not really sure. I may go ahead and get these on here. It has a totally different offset. So my hopes are you get quite a bit of body roll up from these wheels and tires. This is the Patagonia. I'm not really, I think this is gonna push them out quite a bit farther because it's so deep. The offset is like totally different. But we're gonna see. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna put it on here or if I'm gonna put it on here. I even thought about putting it on a C10. Still haven't been able to trick my nephew into giving it to me, but I know it won't be long before he won't care anything about it. But I also got another set of wheel locks and of course the hubs and some more screws. So I'm not really sure which direction I'm gonna take. But this is by MT Hobbies. The ones that I have on here now, I'll put a link in the description, or I'll put a link in somewhere. I'll put it somewhere. You'll see when I open these. But these are wider than the stock ones. So this is your stock ones. They're not as tall, of course. Not like the lower, because it gives you the lower center of gravity, of course. I don't know if it works against you or with you. But that's what I'm working with right now. And I know once I put a tire on here, these are going to stretch like crazy. And it might give it a pretty good look. I don't know. We're going to see. We don't know how it's going to perform, but we'll find out pretty soon. But these are by MT Hobbies. Make sure you guys go over and check them out and let them know that I sent you. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Over and out.